Honestly, nothing tastes so good like dry cake with a cup of hot chocolate. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this dry cake. Watch the end and also help me to share. So I'm going to be making use of 3 raw eggs. I put in the bowl and then I'll mix until it increases in size, just like this. Next, I'm going to go in with sugar and then I will continue to mix until it changes color, just like this. Next, I'm going to be adding sunflower oil and vanilla. You can use any other flavor of your choice. You can as well use butter instead of sunflower oil. Mix very well to combine. Next, I'm going to filter my self-rising flour into it. If you're not making use of self-rising flour, please feel free to go in with your baking soda or baking powder. So I'm going to be making use of 2 cups of self-rising flour. I sieve it into my mixture and then I'm going to go in with dry pig milk. And then I'm going to mix the ingredients nicely. For those of you that don't know how to bake cake, follow this step. You are going to come up with a nice cake. So as you can see, after mixing this cake, my cake is so thick. So I do get comment like this: if the cake mixture is thick, what do I do? You can go in with fresh milk like this, fresh warm milk, warm the milk, I don't know how to speak that English fine. Or you can use warm water. So mix and then I set it aside and then transfer into my buttered pan, just like this. And then I'm going to bake it in the oven. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this point, have you learned how to bake a cake? Let me know in the comment section. So as you can see, I already baked the cake and then I remove it from the baking tray, remove the baking paper. Next, I'm going to cut it into smaller sizes. This dry cake is sold in the shop, guys. Instead of buying from the shop, you can make this in the comfort of your own home. Honestly, dry cake tastes way better than our normal cake. So as you can see, I cut it into smaller sizes. Once I'm done cutting into smaller sizes, I'm going to transfer it back into the baking tray, as you can see, and then I'll put it in the oven and bake it again until it is golden brown. So remember to reduce the heat of your oven so that your cake will not get burnt. Take a look at this, guys. This festive season, don't you think you need such thing at home to enjoy with your family, with your loved ones who come visit you? Imagine you serving them this for breakfast. Oh, more. This tastes so nice. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next one. Please help me to share. Bye.